is a sweeper, and Mark Hughes will be looking for his first goal for Wales for 2 years. The men from the North Atlantic are no longer total novices on the international scene. Austria and Northern Ireland will vouch. Terry Orroth, who made it clear at the start that what he required first was a win, and a big victory would be a bonus. Dean Saunders. Well, Saunders a little bit lazy there, lost out, so Wales have to start again from the back with Blackmore. And here's space for Saunders and Rush with the early goal. Perhaps it's hit the post and it's gone in. Yes, the linesman has signalled that the ball crossed the line, and Ian Rush gets the credit. His 21st goal in international football, coming 5 minutes into the game, and the perfect start for Wales. So often they struggle early on against inferior opposition, but here Ian Rush struck it first time, and as you can see, it just crept over the line before Jakobsen could get back there.
This is a marvellous goal. It isn't the turn back by Dean Saunders or that marvellous shot on the turn by Ian Rush. It was a superb ball by Clayton Blackmore that went where the Faroes have been playing offside. This completely beat them, and it was the run by Saunders, the ball by Blackmore.
Making tracks down the centre of the field. This is Osua Hansen and more Corey. Hansen, still Hansen, and well, the player in the middle was offside anyway, but Hansen trying his luck from all of 25 yards. Phillips. And Saunders is onside. If he can control it, he scores! What a magnificent finish by Dean Saunders. His first touch on the ball took the defender right out of the game. Then he had time on his side, and he finished with aplomb. Jens Martin Knudsen is beaten for the second time. 29 minutes gone, and Wales lead by 2 goals to 0. And Dean Saunders has scored his 11th goal for Wales.
That was a marvellous ball again by Phillips, but the first touch by Dean Saunders to pull the ball down was superb. If you watch, he's held himself and then he smacks it. He's almost delayed hitting it until the goalkeeper's committed himself. A marvellous goal.
So for the first time in 16 matches, Wales have scored 2 goals in the same match.
I mean, because there's really very little danger down that flank.
Powerful header from Young and accurate to Rush. Saunders needs it and wants it at the far post. It falls for Mark Bowen. Bowen beats one man and another, and Mark Bowen scores! What a cracking goal from the Norwich City fullback. His 3rd goal for Wales. He scored on the Tour of Japan, and now he scored again here against the Faroe Isles. A goal in the 38th minute, and now surely the floodgates will open. Mark Bowen, a very steady finish indeed, but the approach work was all his as well. Past one man, between 2 more, and side foots it wide of Knudsen.
Yes, he shows remarkable control on the ball. Everybody thought he was going to shoot, and this is why he's got into that position. Struck the ball home exceptionally well. But you see the defenders there, they weren't sure whether to tackle him or to pull away, and they've committed themselves. No chance to stop him. What a good run, what a good goal.
Mark Hughes. Well, here's a chance perhaps for the Faroes on the break with Hansen. He has Raynham square. This is Raynham. Hansen looks for Muller, and here's an opportunity for Dam to score, but Neville Southall makes a magnificent save from point-blank range. And Dam must be very disappointed. That was a golden opportunity for him to score on this grand stage for the Faroe Islands, but Big Nev knew better.
His moves, his runs have been very exciting. The last one, the run, and in fact the cross was of the highest technical ability, and it's great to see him playing like that.
Well, Neville Southall, it seems, is going to be penalised here. And Neville can't quite understand why, but it'll be an indirect free kick to the Faroes inside the Welsh penalty area. So a real opportunity here, perhaps, for the Faroes to pull a goal back. As you can see, it was Muller trying to head the ball out of Neville Southall's hands. I'm not too sure why Neville was penalised there.
The fact is that the ball has been headed out of Neville Southall's hands. He has then gone to dive, and he's quite at liberty to do that. And I therefore find it most strange for a free kick to be given.
Well, also Hansen is over the ball. Montero could well strike this one. And Wales with everybody, literally everybody behind the ball. And the referee wants them back the full 10 yards, so this could be a delay. And real pressure on the Welsh goal. The Faroes would love to score here. Montero, and it's wide. Now the Faroes are about to introduce a substitute. It's the midfielder Justin Hughes. Justin Hughes will replace the number 8, Jan Dam. So, a defender going off and a midfielder coming on.
There's a marvellous spell for Wales in their passing. Has been concise. The Clayton Blackmore's pushed in to give an extra man forward. The fullbacks have gone wide. I think they've just overplayed a little and they haven't quite created that opening. They've got to keep scoring their goals, because that is again a mark of how much above the Faroe team that they are during this game.
Osua Hansen for the Faroes. Muller, still Muller, and Jonsson from all of 30 yards. Likes to take a long-range crack at goal from time to time, as he showed there, but he just lifted his head. Todi Jonsson, one of the younger members of the side, just 20 years of age, and perhaps he was thinking in terms of a glory moment at the Arms Park, but it wasn't to be.